Hi Joamar-John. So it's quite messy in my room right now because I'm packing. But before I pack my stuff and share to you packing tips, I will be going to the market and to the grocery and to the mall to buy stuff that I need. So yeah, this is the situation right now. So medyo makalat and I'll be using these bags to travel somewhere. So I'm excited to share and vlog again or do travel vlogs again. But yeah, I don't know where this will go. But yeah, before I finish fixing all of this stuff, I already pre-styled my outfits because I was inspired with the Lolas of Baguio with my outfit. So I'll be sharing that later. But yeah, let's go to do the errands. I wanted to run and bike, but I will just do the trike kasi medyo pagod na ako. I've been working and cleaning stuff, doing the paperwork for the travels this morning. So yeah, let's go. Hi lang guys, I'm finally home. Tonight is kind of weird, but yeah, I'm gonna pack. I don't know if I'm able to video, but I'll share to you what I bought. Kopya for my aunts and my uncles, of course. A shaver. Finally got a power bank. This is the cheapest power bank I could get. Na okay yung quality. Padlock. Medicine for, medicine. Antihistamine, paracetamol, and vitamin C. So yeah, let's pack. I'll be having these two luggages. So it's a big and small one. I don't know if I'll be able to video myself doing the packing, but I'll be sharing sa inyo what I have packed in a while. So, I'll pack now. Since I'm finally back, I did a lot of stuff this afternoon. I had to prepare everything and I had to, do care for my lovely poodles who I'm going to miss. But yeah, so Dyan, I'll be sharing to you my packing essentials, especially on long day trips. So I usually now travel light, but since I'll be going to that place for a long period of time, I'll be there probably at least 2 weeks. I brought with me 3 bags with me, and the ticket was kind of expensive as well, so I wanted to grab the opportunity to bring some clothes and use my luggage properly because the ticket was so expensive. But yeah, I'm gonna share sa inyo what I usually bring on long trips. So I have 3 bags with me. So these 2 bags will be checked in, and I will be having my backpack, my Kenzo backpack. This has been with me for long years. Ito lagi gamit namin ni Dennis. And yeah, I'm feeling kinda, I just miss Dennis. But yeah, I'm happy that I'm able to go out of the country again. But yeah, I'm gonna share sa inyo what I usually have with me. So this is my backpack, of course. So usually in my backpack, I have my tumbler kasi airports naman, they have refill of waters and stuff. So since this is my backpack, this is my main stuff, I have my stuff here. So I have my laptop, of course. I have my files here, the passport, and ball pens. It's always handy here. And of course, I have my book and my hard drive, my other phone, and some ball pens. But yeah, I have my book kasi I always love to read book when I'm waiting. And I have my bag of camera here. What else do I have here? Of course, my mask. And of course, sa pockets nito, I have, of course, my essentials, my medicine, candy, and some balm for pag masakit ulo and stuff, it's here. I also have on this other back of course, my money is here. So I have my cards and my cash here. And what else? So far, yun lang naman. So this is my bag, so I always have it with me. So yeah, and my other bag naman is so I can check this in, and I can also hand carry naman this with me. But I prefer to check in kasi it's kinda hindi naman heavy, but my camera gears are in this bag kasi we will be doing a podcast at the same time. So it's a work and travel at the same time. So in this bag I have my gadgets here. I have my clothes that I'll be wearing in case malamig or something. No. But yeah, I usually have naman here my gadgets. So my cameras, my lenses, my batteries, and I have here extra bags in case I shop, but I won't do it. But malay mo, some of my friends will be asking me. So I have it here. Some extra bags, my gears, my adapters are all here. So this is not so heavy in a way that in case I feel when I get na my stuff from the airport, I can literally put this bag inside this luggage, so it's easy for me to transfer in a while. These are the clothes that I'll be wearing when we arrive sa airport. So if it's going to be cold, at least I have these extra clothes with me, heat tech and some jackets. So because Manila is very hot, so yeah. And my padlock which we'll be using later to clock our luggages. So yun. This is the smaller bag version. So the other bag is eventually this one. Yeah, as you've seen earlier, here are my stuff, my outfits, my shoes. I only brought 2 shoes for this trip. I also have only 4 or 5 pants with me, and yeah, the jackets are in rotation. And I've told you I was inspired with the Lolos of Baguio, so those were my inspiration for my looks, and I probably would like to take photos na din kasi some of the pieces that I'll be wearing I will also want to launch them for my slow fashion shop. I also have here my essentials, my skincare, my toothbrush, my dental floss, of course, my soap, are all here. Since the Airbnb naman has their towels, soap, shampoo, I didn't bring so much with me. So yeah, these are my bags with a bag. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog, Tangedjan, and see you. And hopefully, I will have the energy to vlog this trip, and I'm kind of excited. And yeah, okay, five travel pack tips. So yeah, for me, you should bring, bring classic or staple pieces ng outfits like denim pants, black shirt, white button down. Those are like so classic pieces and staple pieces na you can style them a lot of times na hindi malalaman ng tao. And they're so versatile. Number 2 is, ano pa ba? Bring food. So I have here some snacks because, if it's going to be too expensive, at least I have something to munch with me. And what else? Yeah, don't overpack. You really have to, at least 3 or 4 days before your travel, you have to pack, which is my mistake. Because I've been so busy, productive. And number 4 is you always have to, when you have your hand carry with you, you always have to, it should be very comfortable. So I like it backpack with me because my shoulders, it's very comfortable. And number 5 is have your weight stuff. So this is my weighing scale that my friend gave long years. So this is a weighing scale our friend CJ gave to us. So until now it's still working. So yeah, always have it with you because you always have to check how much is your luggage weight kasi so you won't have to pay extra for your luggage. Guys, I also have this tripod in my backpack because lagi akong nagsushoot mag-isa. So this is very handy. So yun, Tangedjan, I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and goodbye, Tangedjan, kayo sa iba. Ayan, today!